Hey everybody, welcome back to One Track Mind Coasters, and today we are looking at the construction over by the boardwalk. So, as you can see, drainage right there, and there is a ton of footers. They're all tarped, but they are footers, in fact, as there is one over there, over here, that is not tarped. But there are a ton of footers here. So, I would keep watching out on this area, because this area keeps getting even more interesting now that we know there's actual footers here. And then there's just a digger here, I guess for digging the hole for the footers. But yeah, definitely keep a watch on this area. This area is going to be very interesting. I hope I could get one more update, hopefully before the year ends, and I'll see you next time at this spot.